We use email in a lot of different ways. One is customer retention, to send out a newsletter to everybody in your sales and service database at least once a month that informs them of everything that's going on at your dealership, what events you have going on, specials that you have going on, coupons for service. You can address all kinds of issues going to a customer in your database who may not be ready to buy now, but guess what? They got 2, 3, 4 other people in their household. And even though they might have just bought a car from you, they're happy. When they bought a car from you, there's a reason they bought it, right? And you've got to go and ignore them for the next 2 years with your direct mail normally. Well, we don't do that. We keep hitting them. That's the time that they're the most acceptable to your message, if you will, is right after they bought a car, because guess what? They're going to their neighbor and saying, "Hey, look at the car I just got. And man, I got a great deal on this," because nobody's going to say I got a bad deal, right? There's a lot of reasons to keep constant contact with your customer database, and we do that via an email newsletter. On the other hand, there's a lot of other ways to get the prospects in. You want to hit your hottest prospects. And we know there's a 60 to 90 day window typically for a new car prospect. And then once they get beyond that window, they sort of shift into a used car prospect. They've started doing their due diligence, started doing their shopping. Maybe they realized they just don't have the budget to get the car that they were looking for that was a new car. Guess what? Now you move them into the used car area and you keep hitting those people even if they've never been in. They're prospects. They've contacted you before, but they didn't buy. We're still going to send them emails until they buy or die, basically. We don't want them to opt out, so we just keep sending them relevant information and bring them back into the fold.